Are you curious about which U.S. states offer the lowest costs to form an LLC? Starting a business can be daunting, and it takes more than just having a low-cost idea or product. To launch a successful limited liability company, LLC, you'll need an understanding of your state's formation fee and any associated recurring fees, which may include renewal fees, annual report fees, or franchise taxes. Before we jump into the video, please note that I may earn a referral fee from the services and companies I feature, but rest assured, there's no extra cost to you. I chose them because they're the best in the industry and you're safe with them. U.S.A is professional formation service to file your LLC. It's an amazing company that will guide you through creating your LLC. They even have a service where they will file your LLC for you without you going through any hassle. Don't forget to check out the link and full review of U.S.A in description down below. So, let's learn about the cheapest states where you can form your business and what you will need to get started. 1. Kentucky. Forming an LLC in Kentucky proves to be cost-effective, boasting the lowest filing fee nationwide at a mere $40. Furthermore, the state extends its support to business owners through incentive programs, offering financial assistance to small businesses. With our comprehensive guide, you can delve into the specifics of forming an LLC in Kentucky. The filing fee for an LLC is $40. The annual fee is $15. 2. Arkansas. The second cheapest state to start an LLC is in Arkansas. This state of 3 million people boasts close to 260,000 small businesses employing 500,000 people, and small business formations are expected to grow. LLC filing fee, $45. Annual fee, $150. 3. Arizona. Although this state was hit hard during the pandemic, it's now come back and has helped lead the country in job growth, making it a great state to start an LLC. LLC filing fee is $50. Annual fee is $0 plus state fee, includes free registered agent service for a year. Next, number 4 is Mississippi. Known for its low corporate tax rate, this state also has a diverse and educated workforce, thanks to the 37 in-state colleges and universities. LLC filing fee requires $50. Annual fee is $0. 5. Missouri. A strong community, low cost of living, and $0 annual fee are just a few reasons why many small businesses opt to form a Missouri LLC. LLC filing fee is $50. Annual fee is free, like $0. New Mexico. The temperate climate and business-friendly tax policy play a big part in why many entrepreneurs look to an LLC in New Mexico. LLC filing fee will be $50. Annual fee is $0. Next, number 7 is Colorado. Known for its beautiful landscapes, this state also attracts millions of visitors annually, many of whom enjoy an outdoor lifestyle and the activities it offers. Meaning it's a great place to start an outdoor-focused small business. LLC filing fee of Colorado is $50. And annual fee is $10. 8. Hawaii. When it comes to LLC formation and starting a business, you'll find lots of support in the Aloha State. Not to mention great weather. LLC filing fee, $50. Annual fee, $15. Number 9. Michigan. Though this state ranks at number 9 when it comes to the cost of a business formation, Michigan is ranked as the 4th most affordable state to live in. LLC filing fee is $50. And annual fee is $25. 10. Iowa. Unlike the rest of the states on this list that are required to pay annual fees, Iowa's fee is paid every other year. Iowa is also one of the most affordable states to live in, with reasonably priced housing, a low cost of living, and no personal property tax. LLC filing fee for Iowa is $5. Annual fee is $50. 11. Montana. While the LLC filing fee in Montana may be rather high, its annual fee is low, making it a great place to form your business if you plan to stick around for the long haul. For the LLC filing fee, $50. Annual fee is only $20. Next, number 12 is Utah. Utah boasts a high quality of life, a low cost of living, and a flat tax of 4.95%, regardless of how much you earn, making it a no-brainer when it comes to forming a new business. For LLC filing fee it charges $54. And annual fee is $15. 13. California. Though California's annual fee is high, called a franchise tax, when you consider that the Golden State boasts a GDP of close to $3 trillion, it may be where you want to form a business. After all, if California was its own country, it would have the 5th largest economy. The LLC filing fee in California is $75, including $5 certification fee. Annual fee is $800. Moving on, number 14 is Delaware. In addition to being on this list for its cheap state filing fee, this state also boasts no sales tax, as well as privacy protections. Delaware LLCs are not required to include the personal information of board members, including names and phone numbers. Filings can effectively be made anonymously. LLC filing fee is $90. Annual fee would be $300. Lastly, number 15 is Indiana. Rounding off the list is Indiana, with 512,438 small businesses employing 1.4 million people or 44.9% of the private workforce. LLC filing fee, $95. Annual fee, $50. Now, a common question can arise, does cheapest mean best? No, the cheapest state is not always the best state to form your business. Apart from formation cost, you need to follow up some metrics while looking at a state for your startup, such as state tax and licenses cost, business regulation, workforce age, access to resources or fundings, startup activity, rent and utility rates. If you are planning on starting a business in one of the 15 states listed above, then you are off to a great start for forming a low-cost LLC. Granted, the annual fee for California and Delaware are disproportionately higher when compared to the other 13 states. Other items and fillings that will require your attention as you lay the foundation of starting your own business will include naming your business, open up a business bank account, get an EIN employer identification number, name a registered agent, consider setting up a virtual address service, file your articles of incorporation with your state. Now that we've helped you identify the cheapest and best states to start your business, it's time to take the next step by working with a professional to help navigate you through the business formation costs and filing process. U.S.A. has helped over 1 million small business owners form an LLC for $0 plus state formation fees. The full review of U.S.A. is also given in the description box down below.